Hello, dear students. Today we'll read the first chapter of CBSE Standard 7, That's Keeping Fit. As you all know, health is wealth. So it's very important to keep ourselves healthy. So in order to feel fit, we need strength, stamina, and suppleness. Stamina is the strength to do something difficult for a long period of time. And suppleness is the ability to bend and move parts of our body easily into different positions. So all these three we can easily get available by exercise. And to exercise well, we need all these three. Exercise is something that should be started gently and built up gradually at a pace which you find comfortable. Exercise builds up our strength by developing our muscles. Or we can say we can develop our muscles or we can build up our muscles through exercise. We don't need to be a bodybuilder to have strong, healthy muscles. Actually, children don't have the right hormones to do bodybuilding exercises. Hormones, that's a chemical substance produced in the body that helps in the growth of the body. That is hormones. And these hormones are required for children. Okay, only one particularly good from exercise for children to develop their muscle in swimming. So that means through swimming we can also develop our muscles. It's because swimming exercises almost all the muscles of our body. When we swim, then our all body part get moves. So it also a very good exercise for children. However, simple strength is not enough by itself. Strength is not enough. A fit person must have excellent stamina, and stamina is that quality of the body which enable us to exercise or work for a long period of time without becoming too tired or getting out of breath. That means when you work or when we do a hard work for a long time, sometimes we get too tired or sometimes we are out of breath. That means we are having difficulty in breathing in some work after doing some work. But stamina, if we develop our stamina, then it will provide us the strength to do that same thing without becoming tired. So the secret of developing stamina is that the more regular exercise you do, we can develop our stamina by regular exercise. By developing our stamina, we have to work harder. Or you can do taller forms of exercise more easily. Running a 1 kilometer race might sound impossible to you, but after exercising for a few months, you will find it incredibly easy. Sometimes we get difficult to do some work, but after it getting continue, then it can be easy for us. The third ingredient of fitness is suppleness. The more easily you can bend, stretch, or twist your body, the more supple you are. When you will get suppleness, then you can easily bend your body or stretch your body. So, suppleness can also help you to avoid pain or injury. If you have a supple body, you can at once act and save yourself in case of some danger. Any stretching or bending exercise done properly, of course, that will keep you supple. And keeping fit is not only good for the body, but it also good for the mind. If you are physically fit, you will remain mentally more active and you will feel mentally relaxed. That means you will feel relaxed or get you will not get worried, never tense. You will always feel fresh and happy. Furthermore, after you have got used to an exercise routine, you develop confidence in yourself. These feelings of personal worth can help you greatly in whatever you do. So, or further, we can say exercise that not only keep our body fit, it also give us fresh and happy, and your performance improves in all the fields of life, not just in sport. Okay, so now that you know about some of the benefits, what's holding you back? One of the great things about sport is that there are so many different sports to be choose. They can be terms, they can be team game like volleyball or individual activity like swimming. They can be expensive like skiing or cheap that's like jogging. Of course, you can do any sport unless you have the right diet. Jogging is good form of exercise. It costs nothing but does great good to our heart and brain. This great benefit comes from the increased supply of oxygen to the lungs. That means it get easily it develop our breathing system also, and it also develop our brain and other part of our body. And also jogging keeps the heart and lungs quite fit, and we can say like jogging keeps our heart and lungs quite fit, or it can also make our heart and lungs quite healthy. So physical exercises intended to make the heart and lungs stronger, often done with music in class, are called aerobics. Aerobics, we can say as aerobics is good form of exercise. Such exercise can do wonder for our heart, lungs, blood circulation. It also develop our stamina and general feeling of well-being. Even that everyday activity, walking is a great aerobic exercise. Finally, good exercise give us two of life's most essential things. First of all, a healthy appetite, and second, a good night's sleep. Good night's. So there are some tips to remain active. Let's discuss that. Reduce screen time. Screen time, that's mean spending time before watching movie, TV serials, etc. Then you have to find time for gardening. You have to include in some gardening activity. Then you can also take the dog for a walk. You can carry the groceries at home. You can join a team at your school. You can also engage in dance to your favorite music, walk, run, or bike in, instead of getting a ride. And you can also join in yoga or hip hop or dance or in Arabic classes. There also you can set physical activity goals with your friends and families. Do something you enjoy like jog, jump, swim, skate, or whatever you like. Then let come the benefit of doing exercises. First of all, you will get freedom from stress. Then growth in self-confidence. This is most important and most necessary things which we get from regular exercises. Then it will also stronger our bone and muscles and for better performance in studies. It increase in mental concentration and better social relation and new friends. It also improve in mental as well as physical, and a healthier heart, a sturdier body, and a stronger mind. So these are the various benefits as you read, and these are necessary for our life. So at last we can say also exercise is very good for our body, and regular exercise that give us lot of benefits. Okay, so this the chapter we complete this chapter, and I hope you all understood this. Thanks.